This home project is a masterclass in creating a cohesive yet varied living experience, meticulously addressing both grand architectural gestures and intricate decorative details. The Vawdrey House is a multi-award-winning architectural and interior design studio that spearheaded this home project. This practice, co-founded by Jennifer Hamilton and Ian Chapman, focuses on seamlessly blending architecture and interior design to create unique and functional spaces. Stepping inside, the enlarged entrance hall is a dramatic space, enveloped in dark, moody paneled walls that cleverly conceal doors to essential utility areas like the laundry room, boot room, and a cozy snug. The flooring here is a key decorative element, featuring striking striped mosaic tiling that extends the monochrome theme and adds a contemporary twist. For this home residence, their approach involved a comprehensive internal refurbishment across 2 floors, including interior design, furniture, accessories, and landscape design. The project aimed to transform the lower ground floor into a family kitchen and living space, making it the heart of the home, by improving the everyday entrance. They designed a bespoke decorative steel gate, leading to an enlarged entrance hall with dark paneled walls, concealing rooms like a laundry room, boot room, and snug. A striking monochrome theme with striped mosaic flooring extends through this area. The kitchen features a large contemporary green-paneled rough sawn timber design with a significant 4-meter island, and they also integrated a bar and study area within the room. The use of a wall of steel-framed doors and timber-framed window seats overlooking the large garden further blurs the lines between indoor and outdoor living, inviting natural light and views into the main living area. Vawdrey House also meticulously refurbished the guest bathroom, incorporating modest V-groove paneling with glamorous large-scale marble. Notably, they designed a shared bathroom for 3 boys with a large trough sink and 2 luxury shower cubicles behind reeded cradle screens to facilitate simultaneous use.